Designing RCC beams with precision is crucial for the safety and durability of any concrete structure. In this video, you'll learn how to create accurate RCC beam designs using AutoCAD. Start by setting up your drawing units and choosing the correct scale, usually in millimeters for structural detailing. Next, use construction lines to define the overall length and depth of the beam. Then, draw the rectangular cross-section and add clear cover dimensions as per code standards, typically 25 to 40 mm depending on exposure conditions. Once the beam outline is ready, mark the positions of the main reinforcement bars, usually placed at the bottom and top of the beam. Use the line or polyline tool to draw the bars, and label them with bar diameters and spacing, for example, two numbers 16 mm diameter at bottom. Add stirrups at regular intervals along the beam span using small rectangular loops. Don't forget to mention spacing like 8 mm diameter stirrups at 150 mm c. Include annotations for bar bending schedule, reinforcement details, and beam dimensions to make your drawing fully informative. Use AutoCAD layers to separate elements like concrete outlines, steel reinforcements, and text, which keeps the drawing clean and editable. Before finalizing, double-check all dimensions and reinforcement placements against structural design calculations or engineering codes. Save the drawing in DWG format, and export to PDF for sharing or printing. With the right approach, AutoCAD helps you turn RCC beam concepts into precise, build-ready designs. Keep practicing, and let your structural detailing speak for your professionalism.